In today's video, you will learn about how to make fire cider. Fire cider may be a traditional tonic made with herbs stewed in apple vinegar. It's been used for generations as a remedy to keep off sickness and promote health. See the way to make fire cider. What is fire cider? Fire cider. The very name seems like something you would possibly want to undertake. Essentially, this traditional tonic involves grated fresh horseradish, ginger, garlic, onions, and hot pepper in apple vinegar for 3 to 4 weeks, then finishing with honey to balance the acidity. I prefer to feature additional flavor-rich herbs and fruits for a great tasting drink. Renowned as a folk remedy for generations, fire cider is employed to assist keep off winter colds, flus, and other infirmities. Many people mix it into salad dressings or festive grog. Although one company has trademarked the name fire cider, setting off a storm of controversy. Indigenous healers are brewing herbal vinegars for millennia. In fact, humans began making vinegar as long as 10,000 years ago, using it in food and drinks, for food preservation, and for several medicinal and antiseptic purposes. Back to the fashionable incarnation called fire cider. The normal winter tonic made with healthful herbs stewed in apple vinegar is remarkably easy to form. How to make fire cider? The idea behind this tonic: prepare a robust vinegar tincture that extracts healthful phytocompounds from a spread of medicinal plant materials. Of the probably many favorite recipes, most begin with unfiltered apple vinegar and a few combination of grated horseradish, ginger, and turmeric root, minced garlic, chopped onion, and hot peppers. Other recipes, including mine, include dried or fresh leafy herbs, a couple of whole spices, and dried fruits or sliced citrus fruits. Most of those ingredients contain phytochemicals known for his or her strong digestive, antiviral, antiseptic, and/or decongestant properties. Fire cider recipe: start with a quart of organic unfiltered apple vinegar, 5% acetic acid, that also contains the mother, and pour it into a clean, wide-mouth quart canning jar. Add 1/3 cup each of grated horseradish and ginger roots, 2 tablespoons dried, powdered turmeric, half a dozen cloves of minced garlic, a small chopped onion, 2 dried seeded hot peppers, or use cayenne pepper, 1 large lemon, sliced rind, and every one optional, a small few dried oregano, rosemary, sage, and parsley optional, a cinnamon stick, a couple of allspice berries, and a couple of whole cloves optional. As a precaution, I exploit only organically grown roots, herbs, and fruits to stay agricultural chemicals, waxes, or dyes from migrating into the vinegar. The apple vinegar should cover the herbs by an in or 2. Seal your cap tightly. If you cap your jar with a lid containing metal parts, screw the lid on over a bit of cooking parchment or a little bag to stay the lid from corroding. Let sit for a couple of weeks to soak. Then strain off the plant materials from the vinegar. Honey not only adds sweetness, but also blends all the flavors in fire cider nicely. Yes, to the uninitiated, the mixture sounds as if the ultimate product will taste awful, but you'll be surprised at how the ingredients mellow as their flavors blend within the vinegar. By the way, the degree of fire within the blend depends on what percentage hot peppers you add. How to use cider tonic: some herbalists recommend taking a tablespoonful of cider tonic a day throughout the winter months, swallowing it right off the spoon, or adding it to a cup of juice or hot tea, perhaps with a touch of honey. If you're taking it neat, remember that the acidic vinegar can erode enamel, so swallow it quickly and rinse your mouth afterwards. Others use it as a gargle at the primary sign of a scratchy throat. Mixed half and half with honey, it makes an honest cough remedy. Don't feed honey to children but a year old. Use it as you'd plain vinegar in dressings for salads or cooked vegetables, in marinades and vinegar-based sauces. Final note: like any herbal remedy, please consult your healthcare professional before using purchased or homemade cider vinegar tonic on a daily basis. Vinegar, and maybe a number of the herbal constituents, may interact with prescription medications or have negative effects on some health conditions. See if your body feels better, clearer, and healthier with this apple vinegar tonic. Thank you for spending some time with us Natural Cures. Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. For more information, subscribe to the channel.